about you and right now. First is that can we ask about your personal background and complete name po? Tapos age, then are you single?
Sige. Okay. Sige.
Are you single or married po?
Okay, so good morning everyone. It is a great opportunity to be with you for this interview, showing or telling you what our experience before and what we are right now. So I am Janice A. Taho. I am currently teaching mathematics in Dato Anjam National High School at Kinagakan, Barangay Kinagakan General City. So it is my second course. So I graduated BS Agricultural Engineering at Mindanao State University. So as time goes by, when I had my family, that's the time na when I need to change my course so that I can be with my family. That's why I am teacher right now.
Thank you for that, ma'am.
I am married to my husband.
So this part of success in your life, being a teacher in today's generation, how it was going, what is your experience, or your difficulties in achieving this dream?
I really want to be teacher when I was elementary because I saw a teacher, a small teacher like me. That is why I want to be a teacher. But time goes by, high school, I thought I will not be a teacher because I don't know how to cut letters, make and decide in the classroom. I really don't like that. And then I thought I really didn't think of the technologies. So tarpaulin, right now we have many tarpaulins. So okay, tarpaulin lang pala katapat na hindi ko alam na mag-cut. Oo. And then when I was high school, I shifted from teacher to accountancy. Then from teacher, from college, engineering. And then when I worked already in agriculture for 1 year and 6 months. But then I decided to quit my job since I was away with my family and I am going to give birth to my first baby. That is why I decided to quit my job as an agriculture engineer in Sulan. So it's too far from my family, which we reside here in Cornell. So it's very memorable when I had my review because my husband said that I need to take review because my mind was relaxed when I have my baby. So that is why I did my review at UPRC. And then I was pregnant that time. So very challenging that time because I cannot study or review with my own capability. I cannot sleep late. I cannot wake up early because I have baby in my tummy. And then I vomited always. When I took my examination at Davao City, I did not allow my husband to go with me because I will be minga. I will be maglangi ko. That is why I want to be with myself, with my one colleague, because we are only two. We stayed in a room in front of the school when we took our examination, and I did not sleep over the whole time. And then I pray to God, Lord, nagpa-exam ko ni mo Lord, patulugan lang ko kadali. So I sleep only at 3 o'clock, and then we need to go to the examination center at 6:30 or 6. So I just wake up by 5. So I have 2 hours to sleep. Kaya di mo lang ko giaswang. Oo. Okay, ang hero siging ana sa kuha. Oo, sa kuha lagi siya ng part.
Struggling
Siya sa kuha. Oo. Tapos, nag-expect na ko nga, Lord, you know my situation that time. And then, when you ask why you didn't apply for jobs in agriculture here in Jensen, I don't like it because they want to have my backer, and I don't want to work with a backer. Hindi ko gusto nga masalunod ko nga. Oo, because the guides and other people there asking, isa mong backer. And I don't like it. So, I stopped applying jobs here in Jensen in agriculture. That is why
One day lang ba siya
ang agriculture NGO, one thing. And then this sa licensure examination for teachers, ang gagawas is napagit ko UTI that time. Oo, so nakoy ka ng medical, and then every time mag-exam ko, bala mag-CR ko, ubanan ko sa proctor. Oo, kaya di ba na pwede nga mag-exam ka nga, ay magawas ka nga, wala kay kauban ng proctor. So mo itong ibanan ko, tapos mahasol lang siya kay, sige man ko CR yun. Tapos, kaya dugay mo tulog, ako'y tulog. So nakatulog ko sa exam. Nakatulog ko sa exam. Tapos, ikuan na ako nga magatulog ko. Tapos, pagbalik na ako, mag-answer na ko ulit. Tapos, daw ko kukuha sa Gen-Ed, General Education. Pero, ang major na ako, studyhan, may nigawas tanan. Oo. Oo siya nigawas tanan. Tapos, second year college lang to, first year college na mong i-discuss. Oo. Nag-labs mag-good ko, so, nag-kuan ko nga, hindi kasi yun mo gawas. Pero maunay ni gawas. Oo. So, sinayin ko nga, nagit yun ang intuition. Oo. Dilitanan niya. Siguro sa akong review materials, murag 1/8 lang akong nabasa. Eh di lagi ko sa kasugakod mag-review kay mag-review ko, magbasa ko mga pila lang. Magsakit ako ng tiyan. Oo. Tapos matulog na po ko. Anak kong time. Oo. Struggle with that time. Pero, one that really helped me that time is I had my tutorial. So, at Quantum, my students, I had 4 students from Quantum. So, I took that advantage. I took that time to review. So, while I have my tutorial, nag-study ko sa ilahang libro. So, mautong that time nga, kasi wala ako nag-review dito sa kanang akong review materials. At least nagakuan ko dito sa lessons ako mga tuti. Punta ko dito siya tabang nga kuan nga nakakuan. And then, magkuan tinuog ka ng review center. Punta ko siya tabang kung mag-inay review center. And then, ano ko nag-expect na makapasa. Oo, ginan lang ko akong husband after na ko pagkita yun na mo, di na ko muhilag kay kung mag-ilag mag-good ko, magsakit ang tiyan. So, ningunan ko nga, ayan, nag-expect nga makapasa ko. Ayan siya. Nga naman siya, lisod kay exam. Kung malisod kay exam, ang wala akong kisadihan, bigawas, nag-uunta lagi. So, intuition yun, maunang makaingon ko nga, na-joy time nga ang intuition is na kong tabang. Kung sa man ang intuition, ma'am, kanang wala kang balo sa question, ay sa question, makabalo sa answer. Pero bintot lang. One siya intuition. Bintot. Kung unsa gito makuan nimo sa imong hunahuna, mo na gito ang imong sundon kay really intuition really helps me that time. So pagkuan ato kay wala ko nag-intend nagkanang mag-search. Na result daw. Wala ko nagkuan nga. Ako'y nag-search. O gusto na ko other people will tell me, "Uy, congrats! Nakapasa na ka." Tapos na yan siya na, uy, nag-chat na ako. Uy, tapos niyan ko, wala ko nag-chat ako. Wala ko nga nagkuhan. Wala pa siya nag-update. Huwag pa siya nag-search, kung sa kuya ang result, nagbabasig kabalo na siya, pero wala niya giinom sa kuha. Okay, buntis pa mo that time, kung ako nanganak, nagbabasig mas stress siguro ko. Tapos, my younger sister who was a teacher also, she congratulated me. Kaya siya, nakapasa ka na, congrats. Nakapasa ko. Oh my God, I really, wala. Hindi ko i-expect na makapasa. And then, ipakita na ko sa yaha, mahadlo ko din siya. Mahadlo ko din siya mag-search. Nag-convict me sa light town na nag-search siya kung ano yung nakapasa. And then, moto. Nakapasa ko, kalunan sa Ginoo. One take lang din siya.
Maka-inspire. Pero mamami na po na
Oo.
yan. May mga
Oo, basin buntis that time. Pero, yun, ganang kuan. Paningkamot din siya. O, inubanan sa pag-ampo. Oo, before yun siya mag-kuan, mag-exam, mag-ampo. Okay, lisod ka ayaw kung dili ka. Ang isa lang yun. Oo. Ang kuan mag-yun niya is, mawala imo ka kulba. Oo. Oo.
Kung ibang dito, kasi pa kayo
Oo.
pamahingin.
Nakoy kauban siya nga.
Pag-apply dito ng
Mas bright pa siya sa kuha. Wagit siya papasa.
Swerte
Oo.
din siya.
Moto, amot karon ko naga-teach na siya sa public, sa private school
Sa una
siya.
ka kasi.
Oo. Moto siya. Ngayon, pero pulba gid kayo siya that time kay second take na niya. So moto ko, that was my experience before and after. And right now, so luckily, blessed po ko because I applied in the Jensen, and that time na mass hiring sila because from junior high school they are promoted to senior high school. So all of 264 items from junior high school kami po nakakuha. So 200 plus kami nakuha nga mga teachers that time. So isumong po ko sa ako.
Dili dito na diretso ma'am sa imong gi-anuhan ka rin.
Oo, sa
Nag-apply ka
Tinaga.
diretso.
Oo, dito.
Sa Tinaga?
Oo, Tinaga kami po.
Elementary mo
High school.
High school.
And then, nagulat na lang ko karon og memo or SO para mabalik ko din sa college sa high school. Pero dugay na lagi 7 years na ko nagulat-ulat. Dugay man din siya sa high school.
Sige lang.
So, maulan to. I'm sorry if I can't speak fluently in English.
Thank you.
Patayan
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Agi mong bata, di maning ka.
Kag